Tom, can you help me with this?
Sure, let me help.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know, that's perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about saying thanks.
And apologizing too.
These are so important.
Every day we say thank you and sorry.
Let's learn how to do it naturally.
Let's start.
So, Tom, how many ways can you say thank you?
Oh, there are many ways.
Really? Tell me.
The most common way is just thank you.
Thank you.
You can also say thanks.
Thanks. That's more casual, right?
Exactly. You say thanks to your friends.
What about a more formal way?
You can say thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That sounds polite.
Yes, you use that with your boss or older people.
When do we say thank you?
We say thank you when someone helps us.
Like when someone opens a door for you.
Yes, or when someone gives you something.
Or when someone gives you information.
Exactly. Thank you is so useful.
I have a student named Ahmed.
Oh, tell me about Ahmed.
At first, he only said thank you for everything.
Just thank you?
Yes, so I taught him different ways to say thanks.
That's great. What did you teach him?
I taught him to say thanks to his friends and thank you very much to his boss.
Does he use them now?
Yes, he feels more natural now. He's so happy.
That's wonderful.
Now, what about responding to thank you?
Good question. When someone says thank you to you, what do you say?
Let me think. You say you're welcome.
Perfect. That's the most common response.
Are there other ways?
Yes. You can say no problem.
No problem. I like that.
You can also say my pleasure.
My pleasure. That sounds very polite.
And you can say anytime.
Anytime. That's friendly.
I have a student named Henrik.
Tell me about Henrik.
Henrik had a problem. People said thank you to him, but he didn't know what to say back.
Oh no, what did he do?
At first, he just smiled. He didn't say anything.
That must have felt awkward.
Yes. So I taught him different responses.
Like what?
I taught him you're welcome, no problem, and my pleasure.
Does he feel better now?
Yes. Now he feels comfortable. He can respond naturally to anyone.
That's excellent.
Now let's talk about apologizing.
Yes, saying sorry is important too.
How do you apologize in English?
The most common way is I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You can also just say sorry.
Sorry. That's more casual.
What about a formal way?
You can say, I apologize.
I apologize. That sounds professional.
Yes. You use that at work or in formal situations.
What about excuse me?
Good question. Excuse me is interesting.
How do you use it?
You say, excuse me, when you want to pass by someone.
Oh, like in a crowded place.
Exactly. or when you interrupt someone.
So it's a polite way to get someone's attention.
Yes. And you can also say, pardon me.
Pardon me, that's very polite.
When do we say sorry?
We say sorry when we make a mistake.
Like when you're late,
Yes, I'm sorry I'm late.
or when you bump into someone,
Sorry I didn't see you.
or when you forget something.
I'm sorry I forgot.
Apologizing is so important.
I have a friend named May.
Tell me about May.
May was nervous about apologizing at work.
Why was she nervous?
She was late to a meeting once. She didn't know what to say.
What did she do?
She said, I'm sorry I'm late. It won't happen again.
That's a perfect apology.
Yes. And her boss said, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
So her boss accepted the apology.
Yes. May felt so much better after that.
Now she knows how to apologize professionally.
Exactly. She's not nervous anymore.
So how do you respond to an apology?
You can say, it's okay,
It's okay.
or that's all right.
That's all right.
You can also say, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. That's very reassuring.
And you can say, no worries.
No worries. That's casual and friendly.
These phrases make people feel better.
Yes. When you accept an apology, the other person feels relieved.
It's kind to accept apologies.
Being polite is so important in English.
And it's not difficult.
Just a few simple phrases.
Thank you. Sorry. You're welcome. It's okay.
These phrases work in any situation.
At work, with friends, with family.
Even with strangers.
And you know what's wonderful?
What?
When you say thank you or sorry, people appreciate it.
Yes, it makes them feel good.
And it makes you feel good too.
Being polite is a beautiful thing.
Everyone likes polite people.
So practice these phrases every day.
Say thank you when someone helps you.
Say sorry when you make a mistake.
Respond kindly when someone thanks you.
And accept apologies with grace.
You'll make so many friends.
And people will respect you.
Let's practice and review some important key phrases now.
Good idea. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
No problem.
No problem.
My pleasure.
My pleasure.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
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 Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I apologize.
I apologize.
It's okay.
It's okay.
That's all right.
That's all right.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
No worries.
No worries. Great job today.
Now you can be polite in English.
Saying thank you feels so good.
And apologizing is important too.
Thank you for learning with us.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.